All right, in this clip, I just want to show you very important pattern that I'm just looking at in S&P 500 chart here. So as you see here, in October 10th, we got a wide range bar here all the way down below SMA 50, but market bounced back up a day after, but I cannot make a new all-time high, or I should say new higher high. So that is very important just because we call it as like an inside bar, and this is inside bar is bearish. And the important of this candle is the volume. So there are lots of actually long, or I should say wide range bar, wide range candle that you can see that. But here is the Yahoo Finance actually volume for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF. And as you see here in October 10th, here is the line here. So 159 almost 160 million shares traded on a sell side. And next day, which was October 13, 14, and even 15, volume was pretty normal, like 79 to 88 million. And again, today we got a nice sell-off as well, October 16. Volume goes above average, which is 102 million shares. So whenever you see something like this at the top, that would be a strong signal for the market that market is getting bounced to the downside. So distribution is happening, institution is selling here, and everyone needs to be careful about this. Always pay attention on the volume, because volume along with a price chart is going to be very important indicator that you need to watch.